Listen how we don't judge, right? We just feel it's sad as a hot girl and have no socks for yourself.
Music.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michaela. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you are not new here, welcome back to Vlogmas episode 9. I think this is 9. So today is Friday, December 13th, and I wanted to kickstart the vlog. So right now it is noon. I've been in meetings all morning. I just finished up not too long ago. The plan for the day, I want to wash my hair. I actually have some conditioner in there, but I had to turn my camera off on my meetings. I put it in a little slip bag. So I want to wash my hair today and put in some clip-ins for the weekend just to be cute. I'm gonna go look in my hair bag. I know I have some like brown clip-ins that I've had for a couple years now, so I'm gonna see if I can find them in my hair bag. But that's the game plan. I want to do my hair for the weekend. I've had these persons on since the cruise. I think these need to come off, and I put on a fresh set or something, because these look bad. If you look at them up close, it's lifting. Can you see? I can't see, but from afar it don't look bad. So yeah, want to do that today. And then also we are doing a gingerbread house challenge today, but you guys should have seen that video already, so check that out if you have not. So I want to do that tonight. And what else? That's pretty much the plan for today. I also want to go to Ross because my mother just called me and told me that Ross is booming. They have restocked and she got a couple stuff, so I want to go see before the weekend rush. The people them come buy everything them. That's pretty much the game plan. I did want to show you guys this these stuff that I got. So I ordered some stuff, some Christmas gifts from Bloomingdale's, and because of the amount that I spent, I got a free gift. Which was a Christian Dior kit set, something like that, Christian Dior Beauty. So first thing, it came with this little pouch, which is so cute. So this is a pouch, and you can open it, and then it has a little bag in here that you can store stuff, and then draw the string on the bag so your stuff don't fall out, which I thought was so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna store in here yet, but this is something I would definitely use, especially like if you're traveling and going on a trip. This would be something nice to like put your jewelry in, or I don't know, look at small stuff, or if you carry like big handbags and you want to keep your stuff together, this is cute. So this was nice. And then they included 3 products. So first one is Rouge Dior. This is the color 100 Nude Look, and this is a velvet finish lipstick. How cute is this little lipstick? Like, this is so cute. And then this is the color, like a terracotta type of brown. This would be cute with like brown lip liner, so I will be trying this. I'm not a lipstick girl like that, but this packaging will definitely make me try it. It's so cute. So that's nice. And then they sent, this is the Dior Prestige Activated Serum. I think this is skincare, I'm assuming. Yeah, this is skincare. Let's take a look. I will open this one. Oh, it's like a little tube. Skincare. Cute. And then last but not least, I got a mini of their J'adore perfume. I've never owned J'adore. J'adore is my mom's scent. But here, I got a little mini. So that will be joining the rest on the shelf. This is cute. So yeah, I thought that was really nice. And this is a good amount of things for a free gift, especially the pouch. I will be using that. So right now, I'm about to get back into work. I'm not telling you no lie, guys. Vlogmas 7 for go up today and it don't edit yet. It's 12 o'clock. The video should go up around 6. Is my usual time. But you know, edit yet. So I need to edit it at some point today and get it uploaded because I don't want to miss any days of Vlogmas. I've been doing so good so far. I've been doing so good. I've been on schedule and the videos have not been super short, which is good. I'm not telling no lie, Vlogmas have beat me bad. Vlogmas is beating me bad. I can't imagine having to post every day. I don't know. Maybe next year we'll shoot for every day, but the every other day is beating me. So just checking in with you guys. I will come back in a bit. Alright guys, I'm back. It's a bit later now and I washed my hair and blow dried it. And I found my clips. Quite a bit of them. And I brushed them out. They're clean. I remember definitely washing them before I put them up. So brush them out. You can see they're a brown color, so they're closer to my natural hair color. So I'm about to go through and put these in. I'm not gonna like in detail flat iron my whole head. It's not that type of look. But yeah, these are from Amazon. I'd say at least 3 years ago, more than 3 years. So if I can find it, I'll add it to my storefront, but it's been a while. So yeah, that's what's going on. So you guys know, or you would have seen over the summer I did cut that bob, but the bob is definitely growing out. I did also trim my ends earlier today. Bob is definitely growing out, but I unintentionally started to transition back to be natural. And by unintentionally, I mean I would relax my hair every 6 months, right? So twice a year I would relax my hair. So the last time I relaxed my hair was in March for my birthday. 6 months after that would have been what? September? Late August to September. Well, I shouldn't say 6 months. I should say 24 weeks is the stretch. So it would have been late August. It's now December and I never relaxed my hair. So August came, I remembered, but it just never came up. You know, I was wearing wigs or had different styles. It just didn't bother me too much. So I didn't relax my hair. Oh, I'm like 9 months in. It's now December, March to December. It's now 9 months in. I'm like, what's the point of relaxing my hair again at this point? It's so grown out. And the fact of the matter is I don't really wear my hair out. Eventually I will share that journey with you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna do a big chop or I'm just gonna let it grow all the way out. I don't know. Last time I went natural, or the first time I went natural, I just did a big chop and I had a little mini fro, and that was just that. No decision yet on it, but I think I'm done relaxing my hair. So let's get into this. guys, here is our final look. It looks nice and sleek and more natural-esque. I'm not gonna say natural-esque. So yeah, it's cute. So not too long and not too like overly thick where it looks like real fake. But yeah, so that's my little hairstyle for the week, or the coming week, the coming week. So it's now 4 o'clock and I haven't edited the video yet, so I'm gonna go edit right now. Hopefully I can do it in like 2 hours and get it up. We'll see. So about to go edit, and then after I'm done editing I want to go to Ross, see what's going on over there. But yeah, lovely hair, very cute. Hey guys, it's a new day. Today's Saturday. Well, it's the next day. So I just got up and got ready for the day. It's now, I think it's like 1 o'clock or something, and I really don't have any plans. I'm kind of just going with the vibes. I'm about to go over to my parents' house and see what they're up to, because I haven't seen them since, it's been a couple of days. So yeah, about to go over there. I wanted to go to Ross last night. I didn't end up going, but I know right now it's packed in there every Saturday. That Ross is always packed. So I know over there pack up. I don't know if I really want to deal with that. And then what else am I need to do today? I really don't have any plans. I do need to go grocery shopping, but I was going to do that tomorrow. I don't have a lot of stuff that I need. I just want to go outside. I want to go outside, but I don't have any plans. So I don't know, we're gonna see. I have my little workout. Hey guys, so we're going on a little Starbucks run for the fam. Everyone wants to play a game, right?
Nobody will skip it.
Everyone wants to play a game. Everyone play, we listen and we don't judge.
I suggested it, but I'm not gonna play because there's some things where I drive. I mean, I really want the car go left or right now. So
where officer?
I was joking.
Go ahead.
No.
We listen and we don't judge. Cause we listen and we don't judge. You talk about yourself, right?
Yeah, we listen and we don't judge, right? I just feel it's sad as a girl in a socks for yourself.
But if you talk about yourself, you don't talk about people.
I talk about you. Oh,
that's not how the game goes.
So, a suspect that day?
Yes.
Suspect challenge?
Suspect.
Suspect, but actually a girl and a socks for yourself.
Alright.
Alright then.
We're not gonna play the game. Game cancel.
Game cancel.
Game cancel.
Right.
We can't bother with you. We're not even get into it today. I just start already.
We listen and I don't judge for the suspect.
Wrong game. We listen and we don't judge. You talk about yourself. Not me. So we listen and we don't judge. Talk about yourself.
We listen and we don't judge. We can't sleep at night time because you snore.
Alright. We listen and we don't judge.
Alright.
I make sure to fall asleep first because you snore loud. So if you drop asleep first, me can't go drop asleep.
So how we gonna fix that?
No. We listen and we don't judge.
Ask me some random questions here. Pull up on some questions on the screen.
Oh, me go drive and pull up question on screen.
Alright.
And you have to come with the question.
I hear time now, suspect.
I know we listen, we don't judge. I'm a suspect.
What you want to do?
You're a flip-flop. We can't bother with you, you know?
Alright, what you want to do?
That's why we don't play no games, guys. We not do no challenge because we can't bother with him. Go on the bus, man. Alright. We listen and we don't judge. Me I think.
You can go.
What me not judge about? Or what me know you judge me about?
You don't judge me when I bite my fingernail them.
Oh. But that's how that suspect. You know what? We can't bother. It's a two different game. We're talking about two different things. Two different things.
How the suspect inside? I don't want to confess my sins on the camera. So yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Are you forgot suspect now? Come see your girl and on socks. Your thief socks them.
Alright. Suspect wear beer tear up Marina. Every week you can get a new pack of Marina and 2 days later then tear up.
No, hurt your feelings to some of it, you know?
Tread lightly.
Because I know so you kinda you know you're touchy. Alright?
Tread lightly. Me just
You know, never mind.
Nobody's-
Don't the game thing. Where are we going? Guys, we're going
Like a
Starbucks
Starbucks.
run. Alright then. Me know that's nothing guys. Next thing you know me over there so carry the roll and sitting.
You see I get rescued. No one said fire truck to go rescue you. Ambulance.
I run and joke the way there.
Alright guys.
You feel good for not drive if you first not good well, you know? Thank God.
You go like say you drive me around all the time. What me and you go? Me and you not gonna know you ever go about your business at your time?
Suspect ever they travel pan plug and not can go nowhere.
Yeah, man must stay in yard. Man must stay in yard, man. Don't you guys agree? Man must stay in yard.
Suspect go on like she kind to me and she always order food I'm gonna eat because she don't want to share and name out my food.
Very true.
You happy now?
Yeah, but make sure you get your own food. That's the
But
point.
you have your own food, you eat my food at the same time.
No, not necessarily, but you offer me. So of course, I go take you if you offer me.
So stop half here then. And you say, you don't love me no more.
Guys, I'm showing people them tired. Honestly, it's giving nightmare before Christmas. As I go? I forget what mommy said she want. She want the battery go dead. She want a mocha.
Suspect a big woman and can't carry message.
She want a mocha frap. And she said something.
Call her father and answer.
She said with whipped cream. That's
Okay.
just it. I think I'm gonna try the iced gingerbread oat milk chai. A grande.
What else you want to try? Buy from until we can share them.
Let me drink me I thought about.
Okay, alright. I want to see one deer. That's not deer from me coming.
What do you think it is?
Funny how they say yo, people who live on island, a country who live on sitting on a beer bush there. Watch bush.
Where you did want to live? New York.
I don't see a mud.
City life.
Beer, rat and pigeon about that. Rat and pigeon for days.
You know, you see skeleton in Sea Queen.
Oh my God, I said, only sea queen. Sea queen they can wear for her birthday.
Sea Queen. A Sea Queen alone Jamaican people wear for their birthday. Hi, can I have a grande iced gingerbread oat milk chai?
Grande ice gingerbread oat milk chai, gotcha.
And then a grande mocha frap.
Okay.
A grande caramel frap. You want the food?
Okay.
No, not the food, so we pay buy food.
And a venti java chip frap.
Okay.
That's it.
So yeah, a grande ice gingerbread oat milk chai, grande mocha frap, grande caramel frap, and a venti java chip frap.
Yes.
Alrighty, it's me $25.80 at the window for you.
Thank you. Show them how much money that. Show them.
$100.
Show them.
$100 Jamaican. Enough point that. You don't want it?
No, thank you. You can keep it.
Well, a bit better.
I appreciate the offer.
I got $1 go buy one buckle of rain later.
That the rain if you they would have killed you. For $1.
Don't see why people like drink coffee so much. It smells nice, no?
You want to try for yourselves?
You ever try with me?
Yeah, me eat it before.
Okay, then alright, let's go to fire subs.
Alright.
Do you have drive through?
No.
Want to go inside?
Yes.
I got to talk to people, I'm shy.
You shy?
Me like this autumn thing while I go on. The tree them change colour. It look nice.
You want to show them?
Only sequin anywhere. I don't know if you can see
Yes,
it.
please.
Alright, I think they can see it.
Okay.
Next time I show them.
Thank you. You too. Alright. So we're going on the corner, right? So I'm gonna fire
Yeah, bring your
off.
camera.
Yeah, man, bring your camera.
Okay then. So I'm walk with the drinks on my hand.
No, babe. Why would you walk with
Can
the
they thief it
drinks?
I car?
Why would they thief the drinks out of the car?
Let them
Let me taste
people
my drink before I go. Come on, new. We know what yours tastes like. So I got the grande gingerbread oatmeal chai. The sun not nice as well, but no, that's not it. But we'll taste it real quick. Oh, this nice. Taste it, babe. It tastes like one cookie. I want like one pastry. This nice, man. I don't need to try this.
Me go fight for spouse abuse.
I like this. I like this. I'm not lying. I mean, I didn't expect it to like this so much. Alright, guys, let's go into Firehouse and get something to eat real quick. Guys, food secured. Time to head back to the house and see what it's giving.
I don't told me hungry anything tastes good enough. Why?
Me just did go say why for your argument. Fix up your folly grounds, man.
Guys, just went to Starbucks and this is so wonderful.
Give me my drinks, man.
Nice, man. You look at Horlicks.
Horlicks.
Ovaltine then.
Maybe I try a long time when I drink that. I don't remember what that tastes like.
I remember what it tastes like. Come in like them.
So you don't like the drinks? Is that what
The
you're
drink
saying?
tastes nice, man. The drink tastes nice.
It tastes like a cookie or like a
You know, I give cookie.
or a pastry.
More like one little like one carrot cake type taste or something. It tastes like carrot
Yeah,
cake.
like a pastry. Then let me see.
Yeah, but I say not cookie, I say more like a cake. Them like them cake that were in grater, you know? Grater potato or something or yam and make it.
Yum.
Yeah. When do you have yam cake?
Pumpkin.
Well, people are curry sardine and tin mackerel. You can't have one yam cake. Impossible.
I don't know about that. I never eat my yam cake yet.
So I use my Firehouse gift card.
Yes. You hungry?
Mother ever hungry though?
See juice here. That's mommy's.
I think Mama to take our food serious.
Where's my ice go?
It melted.
She expect the ice to sit down and wait for her, but where did the ice go?
And you add a leaf? Yes.
Order.
Caramel frap. Let me taste it because I think it's spicy.
Let me tell you one because girl wants to come to America. My auntie said she eat firehouse.
But tell us how Malcolm used to eat Firehouse.
Firehouse used to be our favorite.
It was. But so friend anytime that me not eat you.
Yeah?
Uncle Marius took care of my Firehouse some.
Well, something tough to go. Yeah. Nice, I like it. You beat Subway.
What do you want? This?
That's not too much. We have spice.
It's good.
This tastes good.
Hi guys. So it's now 8:41 and we made it back home. That's gonna be it for today's video. Please subscribe if you have not already. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next episode of Vlogmas. Not tomorrow, but the next day. So until next time, bye guys.
Why camera said tracking cancel? What track?
Tell them bye.
Bye guys.
He won't be coming back later.